All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our divisions for tonight's break number 5, which is one of the NFL specialty mini helmets. So we'll check the time November 10th at 9:23 a.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have, where's live? November 10th at 9:23 a.m. There's the list of our 8 NFL divisions. We're just going to randomize this list and we'll match it back to our entry list. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we'll get the division list posted. You guys can trade divisions if you like, and we'll see you at 6 o'clock for the break.